Open it.
A duty.
What is it?
That's the duty thing I did.
Take all the paper off.
Show us the other side. Whoa.
Cool. Show me.
Show Mama. Show the other side. Turn the box.
Cool. What do you say to Papa Jerry? Say thank you, Papa Jerry. Alright, got another one.
I like that.
You like it? Awesome.
Right, open it.
Fast, man.
Someone today the first in there. This is awesome.
Turn it around. Look at the front of the box.
It's Thomas.
Cool, man.
Oh, Papa Jerry got you that one too.
Yeah.
You love it?
Yeah.
Okay, we got one more.
Got one more and that's it.
Mm-hmm.
Eh,
Rip it.
so. I got this one.
You love that one?
Yeah.
What is that?
Show Mama. Pick it up. Push that button in there.
Okay. What's that?
That look. That says try me. Look at his head moving. Oh, he walks. Cool.
Alright, say thank you, Papa Jerry.
Merry Christmas.
I want to baby that.
Okay, bye-bye.